Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Strong commercial transportation architecture and custom leisure vehicle design come together in the expected 2026 Kenworth T800 Motorhome. This motorhome, which is expected to provide a distinctive combination of power, durability, and opulent mobile living, is built on the sturdy Kenworth T800 chassis. A motorhome designed for long trips and a variety of terrains can be built on the inherent robustness and dependability of the T800 platform, which is well known for its performance in tough transportation sectors. The 2026 Kenworth T800 Motorhome's exterior design is anticipated to combine characteristics specifically suited for leisure use with its underlying commercial heritage. The recognizable Kenworth grille and sturdy front fascia, which convey a sense of power and reliability, will probably be kept. However, it will stand out as a car made for comfortable living thanks to the incorporation of features like spacious panoramic windows, well-positioned access doors, and smoothly integrated storage compartments. For a car this size, aerodynamics is important, but it will probably be weighed against the need for structural soundness and lots of living space. Superior external lighting will enhance safety and aesthetic appeal in addition to being useful. The 2026 Kenworth T800 Motorhome will surely have a strong and dependable drivetrain below its intimidating look. Given Kenworth's experience with heavy-duty engines, one could anticipate a Cummins or PACCAR engine, designed to provide the significant torque and horsepower required for traversing a variety of terrain and pulling extra equipment. A more efficient and comfortable driving experience will result from the use of sophisticated transmission systems, most likely fully automatic or automated manual. Even on less than ideal road surfaces, the chassis itself will offer a steady and comfortable ride thanks to its heavy-duty axles and suspension. The T800 platform's cutting-edge braking and safety features will be essential to guaranteeing safe operation. The 2026 Kenworth T800 Motorhome's inside is where the conversion from commercial vehicle to opulent living area will be most noticeable. Making use of the large space provided by the T800 chassis, the interior is anticipated to have a luxurious living area, a fully furnished kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, cozy sleeping quarters, and a tastefully decorated bathroom. High-end components like luxurious upholstery, long-lasting flooring, and exquisite hardwoods will all add to the sophisticated comfort of the space. The living experience will be further improved with sophisticated entertainment systems, plenty of storage options, and advanced climate control systems. Another anticipated feature is the use of smart home technologies, which provide control over entertainment, temperature, and lighting. Regarding market positioning, it is anticipated that the 2026 Kenworth T800 Motorhome will serve a discriminating customer looking for a sturdy and opulent platform for prolonged travel and off-grid lifestyle. Those who value dependability and the capacity to handle difficult situations will be drawn to its innate durability and strong capabilities.